Blanke Schein's Chief Investment Officer, Robert Schein, is joining us now. All right, Robert, let's get some pots of gold for our portfolio here.
Yeah, green is good right now. And, there are a lot of opportunities out there. Markets pulled back year to date. So we like for our investors for an opportunity right now, you could look at Ford, and Ford is down 35% from its 52-week high. It's going to pay you while you wait, 2.4% dividend yield. All of their product lines are super hot right now. The F-150 Lightning sold out. Restructuring is going to help them for the future. And Ford is a 3.7 times price to earnings ratio on a go-forward basis. Amazon, if you look at Amazon right now, they just acquired and closed the MGM studio, so they now have Bond and Rocky. Who can go wrong? But they announced a 20-for-1 stock split, a $10 billion buyback, and Amazon's consolidated for 18 months right now. And if you're like me, every time I go home, I've got Amazon boxes on my doorstep. So I like to own stuff that I believe in, at least my teenagers consume. And our final play today is Costco. Costco is due for a increase in their 110 million reoccurring customers. But what's going to bring them to the stores ultimately are the high gas prices. So increased frequency, looking for cheaper gas right now, are going to bring the foot traffic to Costco. And again, it's another inflation hedge, if you will. You want to invest when it's down, share accumulation. These are great plays right now for a portfolio. And again, you can't time the bottom, but at the same time, you can definitely own for the long term. And, share accumulation right now is not a bad idea.
Well, it's pretty stunning. I don't know if we can look at crude at the moment, but crude is back up about nearly 9% in the aftermarket session. So $103 a barrel. RBOB gasoline up 7% after multi-day falls here. So you're saying Costco, because of its scale, is able to have much cheaper gas?
Yeah, so Costco, when oil goes up, the gas prices go up, they actually lose. It's sort of a lost leader for them. But again, in their annual report, they talked about the frequency of the foot traffic. So you and I are going to look for cheaper gas. In California, we're at $7 right now. And so once we get back in there, we're going to go to the stores. And ultimately, 76% of the Costco's actually have a gas station associated with them of their 826 stores worldwide. So they're going to capitalize, and they actually perform excellent in good and bad markets.
Robert, we got about 10 seconds left. You worried about the Fed's move for the entire year?
The Fed changed their language, and one of the things was they're going to go live, or they're going to be ongoing and monitoring the situation. So they communicated very, very clearly that they're going to go 7 rate hikes. But right now, the Fed is on watch, and we're going to watch them too.
Okay, sounds good. Great to have you, Robert. And by the way, the market's watching and saying, nah.